Hey there, are you frustrated by download pending issue in the Google Play Store? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through some effective solutions to help you fix the problem and get your downloads back on track. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. To do this, open a browser on your phone. Search anything to verify your internet is working. If the connection is slow or unstable, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Solution 2. Clear cache and data for Google Play Store. Open Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap Apps. Find out Google Play Store. Tap on it, and after that, tap on Storage. Select Clear Cache. Reopen the Google Play Store. Try downloading the app again. Solution 3. Free up some space. Open Settings. Find out Device Care. Tap on it. Tap Storage to check how much space you have available. If your device is low on storage, consider deleting unused apps, files, or media to free up space. You can free up some space by removing items in trash also. Solution 4. Remove and re-add your Google account. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap Accounts and Backup. Tap on Manage Accounts. Select the account connected to the Play Store app. Restart your device. Go back to Settings, open Accounts and Backup again. Tap on Manage Accounts. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on Add Account. Select Google, and after that, enter the Gmail and password to add that account again. Solution 5. Reset App Preferences. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Apps. Tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Select Reset App Preferences. This will reset all app settings, which may resolve the issue. By following these steps, your device might be on track to download apps from Google Play Store again straight away. If this video was helpful to you, let us know in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.